What is up guys, Tan at this side. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows screen goes black randomly. So first you need to press the Windows key and then open the CMD, and after that you just simply need to right click on it and then click on run as administrator. After that here you just simply need to click on yes to run the CMD. Then in the command section type sfc space slash scan now, and after that hit enter, and then this will take some time to verify all the files on your PC. By then, let's move to the another method. If this does not solve the black screen issue, just simply come back to search bar and then type screensaver. And after that, here, as you can see, the change screensaver option will appear. Simply click on this once to open the screensaver pop-up, and make sure that the screensaver is set to none. Sometimes if it is blank, that's what the main issue is. That's why it was showing the black screen. So just make sure that it is on none. Click on apply and then click on OK. And this is how you can solve the random black screen issue error. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.